In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Pikashow in TCL Android TV. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now these are the steps to download any apps or Pikashow to your Android TV. So you can easily download and install apps and games to your TCL Android TV from the Android TV home screen. Navigate to apps, select the Get More Apps or Get More Games. This will bring you to the Google Play Store. Browse or search for apps and games. To browse, just press the arrows. To search, navigate to the search icon. After that, select the app, which is Pikashow. Then click on Install. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase, or is it for free. Once you have successfully downloaded the app, you will see the option to open or to uninstall the app. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.